If you don't like bananas, it's because you've never prepared them that way. I'll start by cutting ripe bananas into pieces. Once cut, place in a pan and add enough water to cover them. Also add a teaspoon of salt, cover and let cook for 10 minutes. Remove from the stove and drain all the water. After all the water has drained, put it in a bowl and add half a tablespoon of butter. With a potato masher, mash very well. When they are like this, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. An egg. And half of grated mozzarella cheese. Now with your hands, incorporate everything very well until it turns into a dough. Take some of the dough and make a ball. Place the ball on a piece of cling film, although you can also use a clean plastic bag. Then place another piece of paper on top and flatten the dough. Shape your dough with a small bowl. Place in a very hot skillet and let cook on both sides for 5 minutes. The dough part is ready. Open in the middle and add grated mozzarella cheese. Return to the pan again until the cheese melts. I would like to know which country or city you are watching us from so I can send you a special greeting in the next recipe. Our cheese-stuffed banana pasta is ready now. Look how delicious. Thanks for watching this recipe until the end. Hope you liked the result. See you in the next recipe.